Alright, y'all, this is your girl just make the cut. And today we're finna be doing all the refrigerator. Okay, let's go. All in the refrigerator with some ranch. Homestyle ranch. Homestyle ranch. All in the refrigerator with some grape jelly. With some grape jelly, yeah, with some grape jelly. All in the refrigerator with some rice vinegar. Rice vinegar, rice vinegar. All in the refrigerator with some mouse sauce. Put it on the hot sauce, then you make the sauce. Hey! All in the refrigerator with some more grape. With some more grape, yeah, I don't know why. All in the refrigerator with some vinegar. With some apple cider vinegar. Yeah, apple cider vinegar. All in the refrigerator with some seafood and shrimp salad. Seafood and salad, yeah. All in the refrigerator with some burnt biscuits. Burnt biscuits, yeah, some burnt biscuits. All in the refrigerator with some rotisserie. Eat it with some Hawaiian rolls. All in the refrigerator with some Arizona, but I won't be drinking it. My name's Fitted. All in the refrigerator with some sweet relish, yeah, put the sweet relish. All in the refrigerator with some sweet relish, yeah, put the relish on to make this hot. All in the refrigerator with some ketchup, yeah, ketchup. We need a new thing. All in the refrigerator with some lemon juice. Let me try this. Okay. Out in the refrigerator with some Hershey shirt. Hershey shirt. All in the refrigerator with some mayo. Put it on your small sausage, then they go. Hey. All in the refrigerator with some more ranch. I don't know why, but yeah. All in the refrigerator with some chocolate syrup. All in the refrigerator with some more grape. I don't know why, but we got 3 minutes things too. All in the refrigerator with some strawberry jelly. God damn, a minute. All in the refrigerator with some seasoning. What type of seasoning? Steak seasoning, yeah. All in the refrigerator with some more strawberry. Why some more strawberry? I don't even know why. All in the refrigerator with some healthy vitamins. Get these right, you won't be sick, yeah. All in the refrigerator. What we got in this refrigerator? All in the refrigerator with some pickles. Then the side of yo. Hey. All in the refrigerator with some tortillas. Put it with some red. Yeah. All in the refrigerator with some taco sauce. Put it on the taco, then you make the sauce. Yeah. All in the refrigerator. I don't know what this is, but I'm putting it back. Hey. All in the refrigerator with some apples. Eat an apple and your doctor gonna go. All in the refrigerator with some oranges. Bitch, I don't squeeze it. Hey. Squeeze it. Alright. All in the refrigerator with some bologna. Put some mayo. Ain't gonna need. Yeah, all in the refrigerator with some marijuana. Ooh, damn, I said the wrong thing. All in the refrigerator with some mozzarella. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. All in the refrigerator with some cheese. Alright, all in the refrigerator with some hot dogs. Hot dogs. All in the refrigerator with some more cheese. All in the refrigerator with some corn pie. I'm gonna put it back because my dad gonna be my ass. Even if I do it. All in the refrigerator with some buffalo dip. Eat it with some Doritos. It's gonna be on your own dip. All in the refrigerator with some fresh fry. Yeah, fresh fry. With some fresh fry. All in the refrigerator with some more biscuits. I ain't gonna eat. All in the refrigerator with some sausage. That's that shit. All in the refrigerator with some milk. We need some milk and we need some cereal too. Y'all, this all over my refrigerator because we broke shit. You know, hey. But till next time, y'all.